how to launch search campaign and display campaign. So today we'll explore launching other kinds of campaigns. Yeah. So it's the same thing again. You have to click on plus. You have to come to campaigns. Click on plus. Click on new campaign. So you will be picking traffic as your main goal, and we have already discussed why you have to pick traffic as your main goal. Yeah. So again, click website traffic, and yeah. So then click on continue. Yeah, we have to understand the video campaign, and even before understanding the shopping campaign, we'll launch the merchant campaign. So we'll understand what is the Google Merchant Center. Okay, without that we cannot launch. Okay, or maybe launching from here it's easy, but later, or at least after launching this, we have to understand what is Google Merchant Center and how to create a Google Merchant Center account. Okay, so yeah, so let's go with video. Yeah, just click on continue. So this is launching your video. You must be seeing, right, so many videos will be played on YouTube. While you are watching some video on YouTube, you will see some other ad coming in between. The video ad, this is video ad, not the text ad. Okay, so we are learning that video ad. Okay, so campaign name, video ad, December 23 class. Okay, so I'll enter a location. I'll pick a location, let's say Bangalore. See, all this remains same. Yeah, whatever you see here. Yeah, here maximize conversions, budgets, select your bid strategy. Let's go with maximize conversions. Daily budget, let me put some random amount. Consider increasing your budget to 467.01 or higher. Higher budget helps quickly optimize your campaign, which can help you get more conversions sooner. So let me go with at least 500. So did we pick conversions in the first place? Why the bid strategy is showing us only conversions? We have picked the option as website traffic. We'll have to understand this as well. We'll come back. App promotion as well. Let me go with website traffic. Select campaign type. The campaign type is video, and get more conversions with video ads designed to encourage valuable interactions with your business. Okay, just let's go with the video and then click on continue. So launching video campaigns is the simplest, easiest. So you all must be wondering, right, like how this videos, from where these videos are launched, how they play. So this is the interface from which the videos are launched. Okay, I'll simply add test to it. Yeah, and let it be India. Language, all language fine. Bit strategy, maximize conversions. That's okay. Bit amount 500. Networks, YouTube video partners or Google Display Network. So Google TV ads can appear in video streaming apps available with Google TV. The Google TV network is only available for campaigns running in United States. Okay, so even if you select, it's of no use, or you're not able to select it. Video partners on Google Display Network. So some websites, not just the text ads, they accept the video ads as well. Some other websites which are in the Google Display Network. So okay, you can't exclude it. Okay, so this videos mainly you are targeting YouTube, and this inventory is anyway small as compared to the top YouTube. Okay, get up to 24% more conversions by adding the sites. Okay, we'll add all these 7 site links. So you can add the audiences, or you can go with the optimized targeting. Okay, or okay, your YouTube video. So you can get that link if it's published on YouTube already. Okay, so search for a video or paste. Let me was off page. Yeah, so we can pick something like this. Okay, so if you have your own video, it's not that you will be promoting others video, you will be launching your video and you will be picking your video, and when you put the full name of your video or the link, it shows up. Okay, maybe I'll also do the same. So, master affiliate marketing, affiliate revenue building detailed guide. Master affiliate marketing. See, these videos usually they suggested for less than 3 minutes, I guess. Okay, so I think I have seen that, but I have seen all the thumbnail. Videos longer than 3 minutes don't usually perform as well as short videos. So just I wanted to show the option, that's why. So usually we'll pick a video that's very short, a very crisp and clear communication. Okay. So you have picked the video will run. So you must have also noticed a link to the website. Okay. Right, hence you'll be picking your website's link as well. Okay. So path promo. I'll put something promo offer, some random text. So look at this. For the budget, conversions unavailable, but impressions, the number of impressions will be 300K to 1.8 million based on your targeted settings and daily budget of 500. So this is monthly impressions. Daily budget is 500, that will be 15,000 rupees. For 15,000 rupees you will be reaching 3 lakh to 18 lakh people. Okay, they are giving you the range. So the moment I change my targeting criteria from complete India to, if I narrow it down further, you would see it changing. Okay, so enter any another location. I'll change it to Bangalore, and now your impressions will come down. The number of people seeing it will come down, because one reason is the population. It takes population of only Bangalore, considering the population. Okay, so it has come down now. Second reason is the CPCs, or the cost per impressions or cost per active conversions, will be higher when you narrow it down further. Okay, yeah. So call to action, anything, shop now, sign up. Okay, and headline, top rated web and tech solutions. So this has to be just 15 characters. Okay, so simply I'm taking some random text. Okay, this is okay. So now there is an option to show the banner for your ad, not necessarily the thumbnail of your ad. So thumbnail is different. Now for ads, you can have a separate banner. Okay. So that one auto generate using your channel banner recommended. That's a computer only, right? Alternatively, you can upload any image that you want. We will just leave it like that. Add one and create a campaign. So your campaign is created, done. That's all, simple. Okay. So what is that effort involved here is strategizing the video concepts, the video content. Okay, that is very important thing. Okay, and next thing, understanding the targeting, understanding the audiences. So yesterday, in yesterday's class, we have learned how to target the various kinds of targeting. So the same kinds of targeting works for the video ads as well. Okay, so you can do the remarketing. So you can show to the people who have visited the website earlier. Yeah, or maybe based on the keyword, or maybe the placements, you can show ad only on some of your competitors ads, or maybe some other, sorry, videos or channels, if they are monetizing it. Okay, so done. That's how you launch the video campaign. Okay, so next is discovery campaign, which is now renamed to a different name, because Google must have realized that people are not paying much attention to it. Okay, so let me select website traffic again, click on continue. Okay, so look at the options here. We have yeah, search is done, display is done, and one more. We'll finish off demand generation, and then we'll come to performance max. Okay, so run ads on YouTube, Gmail, Discover, and more. Okay, so basically your ads will be shown on the Gmail. Okay, on search partner websites, the Google search partner websites. Okay, so we'll explore it. You will get to know more. You all will get to know more. Yeah, discover demand generation. So this was named as discovery ads only. Okay, and now they have created as demand generation. So mainly these are the promotional ads where people can find your ads based on their browsing history. Okay, or based on different experiences. We'll see that based on different targeting. Yeah, start new. Okay. So let's select the option. Yeah, I'll Create the sense demand generation. Okay. Clicks. See, and here we are launching the test campaign since we are leaving the names as they are. So ideally, these names have to be name of your product or service, okay, or any other name that helps you to understand more about your campaign, okay. Okay, clicks and budget, daily budget, maybe 100. Your campaign may not perform well because your ad budget is too low for your selected location targeting increasing your budget at least to 4,000. Yeah, select to will change the targeting. Okay. So again, we can add the audience. Okay, you can see here the audience. You can add any new audience if you want. Yeah, audience name, test, custom segments, browse. So yesterday we have seen them, custom segments. Yeah. So there is something called as lookalike. Lookalike, if you are uploading the email IDs, if I'm uploading Manjunath's email ID, it studies who is Manjunath, what is Manjunath, and it tries to filter similar such profiles on the internet. There could be thousands of people who has same behavioral patterns. Behavior in the sense not my behavior in terms of the browsing behavior, lifestyles, the income slabs or whatsoever it is. So it tries to match as many metrics as possible with the existing, but it's there's sort of no much use. The exact targeting is the best always. So browse keywords one. It's already created and existing audience list. Okay, or maybe we can create new segment. Yeah. So people who search for any of these terms on Google, people with any of these interests or purchase intention. So we can explore both. Okay, add interests. People with any of these interests or purchase intentions. So I can go with this, or maybe let's say we can pick the keywords also. So which we have done the keywords test keywords one. Okay, I haven't really looked into what test keywords which we had created earlier. People who have previously interacted with your business. This is remarketing. Okay, so browse AdWords optimized list, or maybe if we had created any other remarketing list, we can just go with. Or for now, you are taking keywords, just save it. Yeah, we are not selecting optimized targeting. Single image ad, video ad, carousel image ad. So in this discovery, we can launch the shopping ads as well. Like you must have seen the shopping images. So let's take. Yeah, you see here the right side. So yeah, something like this can be shown. So you for this you don't have to do anything. You can we'll be anyway seeing the shopping campaign there. From there we will get to know how it can be. This doesn't need much effort. It just needs to pick that selection. That's all. Okay, and it's all done. You will be able to run the campaign. Okay, that was actually there in the previous stage. Okay, so single image ad, we'll see how it works, or video ad. Single image we have seen with display. We'll see the carousel image ad. Okay, so you can add multiple cards, add images. Let me just save this. Yeah. Um, okay. User different final URL for the value. Then call to action automated, or you can use one of it. Automated will pick based on the customer's browsing and all. So have to add, since we have picked the carousel option, so we have to add more images. Okay. See, in case, see, I'm just typing, I did not even copy from the website. If there is any issue with the URL, the ad gets suspended. Let's say the URL is just about, it's not about us, then that's a 404 error URL. In those cases, the ad might get suspended. Okay. So this is how it looks on the YouTube. See, these are not videos. On YouTube, when you go and search on YouTube, when you visit YouTube, on the top you will see ads, text ads only. Okay, so those kinds of ads they are to the right side while playing the video, or maybe on the search you will see in the top. Yeah, so look at this. Maybe let me search. Yeah, this is a video ad. Let me click on one of them. So you see, yeah, yeah, something like this. So that will be a carousel ad, or it can be in the top as well, not necessarily there. Okay, so yeah, we have uploaded the images. Logo is needed. Okay, so business name Canva Digital. Okay, so this is how it looks on YouTube. Discover, look at this. So this is how it looks on Google Discover, or maybe on Google Search Partners, wherever it is. This is how it looks on Gmail. I show it to you on desktop. So this is Gmail. So when the mail is opened, the discover feed at format placed on mobile devices only, and the carousel image ad format for YouTube serves on mobile devices only. Carousel is not for desktop. So when you go with carousels, you are basically limiting your ad only for mobile devices. Okay. So ad one has errors which will prevent campaign from being active. Okay. So still publish, fix it. Logo is required. I don't have the logo now, so for next time I have to get ready with the logos. Yeah. So for this budget, these are the available impressions. Publish campaign. Yeah. So that's all we are done. And the most crucial part here again is monitoring, targeting, eliminating wherever it's not performing. Okay. Or trying with the new sets of keywords. We are targeting the keywords here to show the ads. Okay. So okay. So next is performance max and shopping. So click on the create campaign plus new campaign, website traffic, continue. So we'll go with the shopping. Okay. So shopping is I was showing it to you the ads here in the top. So you can't see them, right? Yeah, these kinds of ads. Okay. Okay. So for that, this account may not work. We'll switch the account because you have to, or let me show it to you. I think it's there here as well. Click on shopping, continue. There are no products in this merchant center. You will see, you'll still create a campaign, but ads using product data won't show until products are added or uploaded in the merchant center. Okay. So adding products, I'll show it to you. So usually to run this campaign, there is something called as merchant center. Okay. So merchant center and this has to be linked. Okay. We'll be understanding how to link merchant center with the Google Ads account, how to create the merchant center in the merchant center classes. Okay. So when it is linked automatically, it pulls in sorry gone I guess. So when it is linked it automatically it automatically pulls in all the products. Okay, continue shopping, it's linked. So performance max campaign, select the campaign, standard shopping campaign. See performance maximum is, so look at this, get the best of Google's automation to reach customers across all channels such as Gmail, Google Display Network. So it just basically shows everywhere including Google. I don't want that to be happening. I want to show only on Google. So I'll pick with standard shopping campaign. So pick your products, bid strategy, budget and targeting. You can show ads on Google search network as well. Search network and partners. So continue. Okay, so usually we create all the products lists that don't be available here. Let me switch the account. Yeah. So shopping test campaign, maximize clicks, set a maximum cost per click bid limit, maybe 1 rupee. This will be cheaper. 100 rupees a day. See, I told you, right? Search partners. So search partners, you can eliminate it. If you want, you can include it. And yeah. So in this, you are not going to see this works exactly same like search campaign, but you are not going to add any keyword. You just have to set the target location. So the ads will be displayed based on your product name. Okay, so if your product has that name in it, automatically the ads will start showing up for all those names. But you will have control to add negatives. You don't want to show ads for a product, let's say allam murabba recipe. You can add recipe as negative. You want to show only when it's allam murabba online, or allam by allam murabba, so or allam murabba preparation steps, allam murabba YouTube. So in those cases, preparation, YouTube, recipe, image, picture, all these terms can be added as negatives. Okay, so now one more thing that you have to do is, yeah, so here you have to pick all the product groups. There will be a product group. In search campaigns you will have the keywords, correct? Here the keywords won't be there. The product groups are nothing but the product names. So in this product groups, all the products will be grouped. Some 100 products, if you have published 100 products, or from the 100 products you can pick only 10 products and you can group them, which we'll be doing that on the merchant center, or maybe here also we can do that. So for now, we are picking all the products. Okay. So now, just by picking all the products in this campaign, you are going to eliminate keywords as well as ad copies. There is no ad copywriting concept. It's very easier. It's very easy. Launching these kinds of campaigns just needs you to pick all products, and another effort from you will be adding negatives. Yeah, and obviously you would have decided on which all platforms you want to show the ads, right? So click on include. So include one product group included. Okay, so product groups. Yeah, so close this. Okay, so done. That's all. This campaign is launched. You can go to all campaigns. You will see the shopping campaign and shopping campaign. This is what we launched, or this one. This is one shopping test campaign. Okay, so I'll show it to you this on a different account. Okay, so shopping Bangalore. Let me take fix it. Oh, okay. Instead of clicking distance, I click on fix it. Yeah. So let me take a time period. Okay. So shopping Bangalore. Okay. So shopping Bangalore is the campaign name. Ad group name is shopping ads, and within this you will see the product list. Yeah, all products. Okay, products. So all products has all of this. Okay, so that's about launching the shopping campaign. Okay, so there is, you got it right. So okay, maybe yeah, I want to show one more thing. So this shopping campaign, we are in the shopping campaign already. So you can see here the keywords, search terms for which all terms the ads are showing up. You can see it here. These are not the input keywords. Okay. So you're just adding the product feed. That's all. You're just adding the products list. Okay. And based on the products that you have, so 1,78,000 keywords just from this campaign has triggered for 1,78,000 keywords. Okay, and from this campaign alone you have 70,000 plus visits. Where are the visits? Clicks 73,000. Okay, so for 73,000 you have spent 64,000, that is 90 paisa per click. Okay, so the shopping campaign CPCs will be cheaper. Okay, so now if you don't want, okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so we what was it? Yeah. Yeah, so in this, you can add the negative terms campaign wise or at the account level. So, campaign wise, look at this. What are the negatives here? So, anything can be negative. So, account level, there are negatives added, not necessarily at the campaign level. You can add at the campaign level, you can add at the. We have understood, we had a detailed discussion, right? So, we all know how to add the negatives already. Okay, so now let's explore uh, the last performance max campaign type. Okay. So you all have to practice launching them, and it's not just about launching. So more importantly, monitoring them on a daily basis. What's happening? How do they perform? Yeah. So Performance Max reach audiences across all of Google with a single campaign. Okay. So this is combination of search, combination of demand gen, combination of display. Yeah. Okay. So click on it. So Performance Max one, continue, create, start new. So Performance Max is combination of search, combination of demand gen, and combination of display. Demand gen, while I was explaining this in the last class, it was called as discovery campaign, and they have renamed it to demand gen in just few days. Yeah. So what do you want to focus on? I want to focus on. So we can change it, or we can leave it. So return on, where is the target always here, right? Yeah, return on ad spend. Okay, so return on ad spend. There is a calculation part to it. So once we are done with launching of this, so I will get back to you with all the calculation parts. So how is the return on investment calculated? So it used to usually display it here. Yeah, that's okay, but it's okay. Ignore it. Customer acquisition bid for new customers. Let's not get into it. Yeah, let's go with India. So you can target any country and run the ads. Not a problem. Okay. Language, text to next. So this is automatically creating the final URL where to send the visitors to on your website. Text assets, I don't want that to be happening, so just uncheck them. You can decide where your audiences has to be landed. So next, add group name, listing groups. So your shopping campaign also will be part of this. Yeah. So this is Gmail, Google search, display, YouTube, discovery. Yeah. Yeah, all combination of everything. So this includes again final URL, images. So this expects all types of content that's needed for various kinds of ads. See, for display, the more focus was on creatives. For video ads, the focus was on video, correct? So now when it comes to this type of campaign, you have to have all kinds of content, image content, video content, normal text, what you are doing it for the search campaigns. Hence, it's a combination of everything. Okay. Listing groups. So why this is picking listing groups? I'm just trying to understand. Yeah. Signals, audience signals, advertisements. So here, as usual, like you can pick the audiences of your choice. So usually in this campaign, they will optimize for what type of keywords the ad has to be shown, on which page they have to land. Okay, or you will have the option of picking the products, Google Shopping products. Okay, hence we mostly don't use this option because the control is very limited. People, this is usually used by people who who don't have much knowledge about launching the campaigns, right? So they go with these options. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now on Google Ads, you have something called as recommendations. Okay. So here in this place, they'll suggest you various things regarding every single campaign on your account. Like they might ask you add more keywords. They might tell you so your ad copy is not that great. Make it look great by adding more site extensions or writing few more ad copies. Sometimes they suggest add more keywords to your campaign. So you don't have to really consider all of those suggestions. See, these suggestions will be linked with your campaign optimizations, campaign score. So I'll show you uh, optimization score. You see here it is showing hyphen hyphen hyphen. So if we go with any other account, you would see this somewhere around 78%, 79%, 100% also. Okay. So optimization score when it is 80% or 90%, that doesn't mean there is something wrong with your campaign. Okay. So this is basically so the moment you consider these recommendations, whenever you accept these recommendations, the score goes up. Okay, so people don't know that, so people think it has to be compulsorily accepted. So basically even you can reject this, dismiss all. Okay, you're just eliminating this in the score calculation, so your score goes up even when you dismiss also. Okay, so but what is suggested is if it is valid, you accept it, view recommendations, view it, and you accept or apply the changes, or otherwise you dismiss it. Okay, so people think, okay, so people don't want to apply and they don't know that they have to dismiss it in order to increase the optimization score. Okay, so there will be a few people who don't understand that optimize nothing to do with the optimization score being 80. They see it as 80, okay, no, it has to be 100, so go and apply the changes. Or client might ask you why it is 80. You should be in a position to explain because it's suggesting some changes. We can eliminate it. We don't have to get into that situation of explaining why, what, and all. Simply take control of it. If it is relevant for you, you can go and apply it when you take other campaigns. I'll show it to you. That is all turned off. There is no data, there are no suggestions. Okay, so that's why I'm taking a different account. Even this is been paused from last 1 month, I guess. So let's see. Yeah, optimization score, it's not there. Maybe here there will be more recommendations at least. Or may have been taken care also. Your account balance is exhausted. We budget drive more sales by making sure your products are uploaded Merchant center, you can't serve ads for disapproved products in your campaigns. Fix those products to show your ads. Some of the products are disapproved in merchant center. Finish setting up conversion tracking by making sure your conversion actions are successfully reporting conversion. So this may have not impacted on the optimization score or may have impacted some of these recommendations. Okay. So recommendations is one part. Yeah. So campaigns, you can browse all the campaigns that you have launched. This is directly switched to ad groups. You can see all the ad groups pertaining to your 10 campaigns. There can be 20 ad groups pertaining to 10 campaigns. So product groups we have already seen that we create as ads and assets. All the ad copies that we write will be seen here. The assets like site links, site extensions, yeah, all kinds of ad extensions can be seen here under this. Okay, so here just the products. Mainly when you connect all these data will be available when you link or connect it with your merchant center. Okay, and landing pages, which all pages are you promoting, can be seen here at a quick glimpse. Okay, you can start downloading it. Keywords, the so since this is only shopping campaigns, you will not see search keywords. So if you had launched a normal search campaign, you would have seen search keywords. Search keywords are the input keywords. Search terms are keywords triggered by the input keywords. Search keywords will be 10, but search terms can be hundreds or thousands. Okay, those got triggered from those terms. Negative keywords, the negatives that you are adding. Okay, audiences, if you have picked any kind of audiences for targeting criteria, all those will be seen here. Okay. There's not much information here. Content, topics, placements. So we had seen this yesterday while we were discussing the targeting types. So that's the information we're going to get here. Settings, change history. See, you can see the change history on your account. So you must have added two keywords yesterday, or maybe someone else working on this account. You can go to change history and you can see all the change history. Okay, to this section. So location control excluded, included, per store reports. So this per store report mainly for Google Business Listing promotion. So which we will see in the next class. All this we are yet to launch app campaign and local Google Business campaign. Okay. So ad can be scheduled for devices. Ad can be scheduled on basis of times. The bids can be adjusted based on the device, based on the targeting regions, or maybe for different criterias. The bid adjustment can be made. Okay. So you want to increase the bid for TV screens. You know that people seeing from TV get more conversions. So you can adjust plus or minus. We'll explore everything in the next class, the remaining campaign types. Yeah.